Welcome to the future of farming, where plants grow not in soil or water, but in thin air. In today's video, we're exploring aeroponics, a cutting-edge agricultural method that's transforming the way we grow food. Whether you're interested in modern farming techniques or simply curious about the future of agriculture, stay tuned, this video is for you. So, what exactly is aeroponics? Unlike traditional farming, which relies on soil, or hydroponics, which uses water, aeroponics involves growing plants in an air or mist environment. This revolutionary method was first experimented with in the 1940s but has evolved into one of the most efficient ways to grow plants today. Aeroponics gained traction in the 1980s and has since become a cornerstone of vertical farming, urban agriculture, and even space exploration. It's all about efficiency, sustainability, and maximizing growth. The science behind aeroponics is all about delivering oxygen and nutrients directly to the plant roots. In a typical system, plant roots are suspended in a dark chamber where they're periodically misted with a nutrient solution. This allows the plants to receive a balanced diet of water, nutrients, and most importantly, oxygen. Key components of an aeroponic system include the misting system, root chamber, and nutrient reservoir. This setup allows for faster absorption of nutrients, promoting rapid growth. There are two main types of aeroponic systems, low pressure and high pressure. Low pressure systems are often more affordable and commonly used in DIY setups. High pressure systems, on the other hand, provide a finer mist, which is more efficient and promotes better growth, but they come with a higher cost. While both systems are effective, high-pressure aeroponics generally offers better oxygenation and nutrient absorption. However, the choice between the two depends on your needs and budget. Aeroponics is one of the most water-efficient farming methods, using up to 95% less water than traditional farming. The nutrient mist ensures that no water or nutrients are wasted, making it a perfect fit for areas facing water shortages. Plants grown in aeroponic systems tend to grow faster and produce higher yields because they have direct access to oxygen and nutrients, allowing them to thrive without the limitations of soil. With aeroponics, plants can be grown vertically, maximizing the use of space. This makes it an ideal solution for urban environments where space is limited. Since plants are grown in a controlled, soilless environment, they're less prone to soil-borne diseases and pests, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. While aeroponics offers many benefits, it comes with high upfront costs. The technology involved, such as misting systems and sensors, requires a significant investment. However, these costs can be offset by long-term efficiency. Maintaining an aeroponic system requires regular monitoring of the misting intervals, nutrient levels, and system health. Any malfunction, like a misting nozzle failure, could lead to plant stress or loss. Energy consumption can be a concern, especially for large-scale operations. Powering the misting systems, along with climate control, can lead to high energy bills, when comparing aeroponics to hydroponics in traditional farming. Aeroponics stands out for its superior water efficiency and faster growth rates. While hydroponics is also highly efficient, aeroponics takes it a step further by providing more oxygen to the roots, which speeds up growth. In aeroponics, balancing the nutrient solution is key to healthy plant growth. Misting systems must deliver the right mix of nutrients evenly to ensure all plants receive adequate nutrition. Monitoring the pH levels and nutrient concentration is crucial. A slight imbalance can lead to nutrient deficiencies or toxicities, affecting plant health. Aeroponics is being used in various commercial applications, especially in urban and vertical farming. It's also a key component in NASA's experiments for growing food in space, proving that it's a viable method for sustainable farming even in extreme environments. Can aeroponics be sustainable? Absolutely. By incorporating renewable energy sources like solar or wind power, aeroponics can become an eco-friendly farming method. Its efficient use of water and nutrients makes it a potential solution to global food security challenges. Interested in trying aeroponics at home? It's easier than you might think. With a few basic materials, like a water pump, misting nozzles, and a nutrient reservoir, you can build your own aeroponic system and start growing plants in your backyard or living room. As technology continues to advance, aeroponics is set to become even more efficient. New innovations in automation and AI are streamlining the process, reducing energy costs, and making aeroponics scalable for large commercial farms. The future looks bright for aeroponics as it plays an essential role in feeding the growing global population. Aeroponics is more than just a farming method, it's a glimpse into the future of agriculture. By maximizing water and nutrient efficiency, aeroponics has the potential to revolutionize how we grow food, from urban rooftops to deep space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the latest agricultural innovations.